Okay. So, like I said, Bitcoin broke down yesterday around the US opening, and maybe an hour after that. It's a it's in a good it was in a good position to buy both at the trigger or at the this area as well. So let's see what is happening. Like I said, shared uh, on the short term. This is the short term low at 4010150. So it's here, and now uh, point that high low on a Fibonacci. We can see that the price is quite well positioned as well. The trades have been doing quite well. Uh, the movements have been from areas of support, and yeah, that's about it. Yeah, in any case, mm, the next things, this can continue like I shared on the chart. So what happened is the top was created, and that top that top got challenged here, but it could not make a new top, and then what happened is the price fell through to lower areas, and then follow up pullback happened, and then it fell down again, and it is trying to form a pullback, which is likely to again fault hit here or somewhere just above as well, and then challenge these areas. So or even these areas. So that 39,000 mark I talked about earlier, yesterday or the day the day before. Yeah, that's that it's this area of support. So if we go back and have a look at the chart as well, this has been confirmed as well uh, multiple times. We have the 30, and then we have other supports as well. But yeah, 39 is going to be the next support if 40,000 level is breached, and then it will obviously target the 38,000 mark. So that's what I think. Yeah, is going to be the next momentum, next chronology of things. Let's see if because we are not holding the trade, I would advise keeping a track of the this super trend resistance. So this is at around 41 475 at the moment, and maybe 500 at the moment. It, if the price somehow moves closer to it, price moves closer to a super trend gets narrower, I would advise a re-entry, because the trade and the trend is just starting as here as well, unless there is a major correction on the upside. uh, the issue is not going to go bullish, because the uh, it's already widened significantly. So let's see what happens for Bitcoin in the next couple of days, and especially with the dollar being pushed up with the Fed. It's quite challenging as well uh, for Bitcoin. Let's see. Anyway, Ethereum had a quite similar run, but it was very simpler than Bitcoin. There is a lot of stability in the price uh, when compared to Bitcoin. Uh, it's again if we draw the high and low and on a Fibonacci, this area you would see that the breakdown happened right above the 50 Fibonacci level, and then it continued down to almost the lower areas. But it's pulling back now. It's trying to pull back now from the 78.6 Fibonacci and trying to challenge this 618 at the moment. Uh, mm, which if it fails, it could go to down lower, and the trend is obviously very bearish still. Like I said on Bitcoin as well, it's very bearish trend. There are two like solid opportunities to enter. Uh, one one at this break at this break at this break, and then at this pullback, which almost tested the Fibonacci, sorry, super trend support. Now, this can happen a lot of ways. It can happen like this. Uh, we'll just have to see. But the trend is definitely low bearish again for Ethereum as well. The next area to watch would be obviously the 2125, which was not tested on this previous downside uh, just a couple of hours ago. It's going to be tested somewhere down the line today or maybe early tomorrow. 2125, that is the Fibonacci low, the previous low from the sharp down side it saw on the weekend, Monday morning after the weekend, and yeah, after that, like I said, there is a 2100 as well for sorry, 2100 areas, 2050 areas for which are long term support areas for the price as well, and maybe 2000 as well. So these are significant areas of support which are very much in contention. 20, 1920, 1925, these areas are very much in contention if the downtrend continues. uh, the the strength has widened, so there is a somewhat of a strength in the bearish trend, and aggressive downside could be triggered if a new low is created. So the low was at mm, 22 sorry 2127, and if a new low is created, yeah, we could see much more aggressive downside in the next few days by the weekend as well. Yeah, that's about it on for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yeah, mm, the trend is remains bullish. Sorry, bearish, and bullish strength is just maybe transitory, or or the feedback effect of the bearish trend, which is people maybe profit taking or something like that. uh, yeah, we should be looking out to enter again, because we are not holding the position anymore. uh, and that would be around 43 41 350 or something like that. And for ethereum, if we are not holding, it's quite wide. It's hard to get in at the moment. uh, I would advise, yeah, it's at 21 67, while the support is resistance is at 21.95, which seems lower, but for in ethereum terms, it's a 1% upside move, like uh, like it is for bitcoin as well. So it's in similar type of area, and we need to be careful if we want to enter again. Yeah, thanks.